All right, so an update on ElonOne. I don't think there's much new news to talk about. For a short term, you did get the rally up here. I did change my falling wedge breakout. The new breakout point would be, I mean, I still think the price is pretty much the same as the other day, 85.11. So I don't even know if that's changed, but we did go a little bit lower. So I did move it. I did move it a little bit. It's really not looking good. I think until there's bullish news, whether that's a preview or whatever, we're not going to really have any momentum to go up because we've had some big buys over the last 24 hours. Um, and short term, it had a rally up, but overall, you look at the 2 hour chart, it really didn't have much of a rally. You got a few buys after the 9th buy yesterday, but it didn't last very long and it eventually died. So until there's some bullish news about a marketplace or a preview of the marketplace, I don't see us having another major move to the upside. Um, I think Astro said last week in the VC that he was going to launch it, the preview today or tomorrow. Unfortunately, I'm hopeful that's the case, but I have my doubts that that's actually going to happen. So until it happens, and I'll believe it when I see it. And I do think when we launch the preview of the marketplace, we go to a new all-time high. But until that comes out, I would not be surprised if we kept just consolidating down and going down lower. I will say this: you do have what looks to be a bottom there at the 3674 level, and then a double bottom here. You had a small rally up, tested it again, so tested this trend line again, which was higher low on the small time frames, and now you're testing that upsloping trend line, support line to the upside right here. So if you lose 3.9, it's going to be really bad. If you lose 3.9, the next stop would be 3.6. What was it? Yeah, 3.6 would be the next stop. If you lose 3.6, I would say you're probably coming down to the 30 level or the 31 level. So we really can't go any lower. We have to get some momentum to the upside because right now you're testing this upsloping support line, so you can't lose that. And I also don't want to see you make a lower low below the 3.6 level because as of right now, you pretty much have a double bottom there. So I don't want to see us lose that level. If you do, I think you could easily go to 30 or 31. So unfortunately, that's kind of the bearish news I have right now. But I'm just trying to be honest about what's going on. I'm bullish, really, really bullish long term. I'm bullish when we launch a marketplace, but until we get some bullish news, I can't be bullish on it. Technically, if you, 68% of the time you do break to the upside out of a falling wedge, but with how the current market is right now, I don't think that's going to happen. So that's kind of how it's looking. Until we get bullish news, I don't think this thing's going to go and make a new all-time high. So with that being said, that's all I got. I'm still holding on. So I wouldn't be selling before the launch unless we get another delay. And even then, I wouldn't be selling, but then I would understand it more if there was another delay. So with that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next update.